This is a Bluestreak Caiman series magnetic sweeper. It's being used here at a hardwood lumber mill. And the magnet comes in a standard 82-inch sweeping width. Weighs just under 1,000 pounds. It comes with 16.5-inch foam-filled wheels, so you won't get a flat on your magnet. There's two debris release handles. You can see them sticking up that you just pull on to release the metal debris onto the ground. The handles also act as indicators, so it's easy to see when you're backing up your vehicle. It's got height adjustability from 2 to 6 inches. You can also adjust the hitch height for varying tongue heights. And it also has a jack, which helps when putting the trailer on or off the vehicle because of the tongue weight's about 180 pounds. The height adjustability is done by this top link on the back here. You just spin it to lift the magnet up and down from 2 to 6 inches. The release handles, you can see we've got them loaded up with debris from the mill here. You just pull these handles and the debris falls onto the ground. Then to pick the debris up again, you just flip the handles up, and then it picks up all of the debris. This is a nice unit. It's all enclosed. There's no winch or batteries or hydraulic systems. There's very little maintenance. It has re-greasable wheels or wheel hubs. That's better for long-term maintenance. And also, as I mentioned, those rear wheels are foam filled, so the chances of having a flat tire on them is very minimal. It pulls well behind a truck. It's made for low speed though because of the foam filled wheels. Sort of a max speed around 15-20 kilometers an hour. Right now it's being driven slower than it can be used. We've got it set up at about a 3.5-inch sweeping height. You can hear it snapping up debris. So to use the product, you simply just pull it around behind the vehicle, like is being done now, and you just drive it around the entire yard and pick up all your metal debris, and that solves having problems like you can see has happened over here on this unit. You don't want to have that because that's an expensive problem. That machine's down. Now they got to pay to fix the tire.